Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use a CapCut online template on PC. So for example, if I go to all templates in here, as you can see we are being asked to sign in first, because if I don't and I click on it, as you can see I don't have any possibility to use this template. So guys, just go ahead and log in first. So as you can see I have logged in, and now guys you can just go to templates and go to any template. For example, this one, right? And you can use this template. And also guys, after opening your CapCut on PC, you can see this is the app that I downloaded from the Google Play Store. And now as you can see under our project is a project and templates that I've just used online. And now if you want to continue working from your PC, you just click on it. And now you can use this in CapCut on PC. So enjoy guys, if this helped you out don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.